was in Dumaguete the past 2 days, and I did not know the ramifications of what has happened and what I previously posted on a POV. But before anything else, allow me to begin with an apology, a very sincere one. To those who may have been hurt by the words and phrases I used in one of my previous POVs when I discussed about the appeal of former President and incumbent Mayor of Davao City, Rodrigo Duterte, in the International Criminal Court. I admit it was poorly written. Maybe I was tired, maybe I wanted to sound poetic, or maybe I just wanted to stir conversation. And yes, I got what I wanted. The discussion happened.